The Hyundai Boulder Concept made a dramatic surprise global premiere at the 2026 New York International Auto Show, showcasing Hyundai's first-ever fully boxed body-on-frame architecture and signaling the brand's bold entry into the hardcore off-road SUV and pickup space. Hyundai Boulder Concept, key highlights. A new direction for Hyundai. The Boulder Concept previews Hyundai's first US body-on-frame vehicle, which will underpin a production mid-size pickup truck due by 2030. Marks a major shift from Hyundai's typical urban SUV lineup toward rugged, off-road-focused vehicles. Built for real off-roading. Features a fully boxed ladder frame style construction, favored by US buyers for towing, hauling, and serious off-road capability. Designed with an upright two-box silhouette and Hyundai's new Art of Steel form language for a tough, industrial look. Designed, developed and built in America. Hyundai confirms future body-on-frame vehicles will be designed in America, developed for America, and built using US steel, a strong signal of commitment to the North American trucked SUV market. Signals a broader strategy. The Boulder Concept hints at Hyundai's potential entry into the lifestyle off-roader segment, competing with vehicles like the Mahindra Thar, Ford Bronco, and Jeep Wrangler in spirit. Could have implications for markets like India, where rugged lifestyle SUVs are rapidly growing in popularity. Why this reveal matters. It's Hyundai's boldest off-road concept yet, previewing a new product category for the brand. Sets the stage for a future mid-size pickup and possibly a family of rugged SUVs. Demonstrates Hyundai's intent to challenge established off-road brands with a fresh design and engineering philosophy. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next one.